self go laugh out loud. Because why? Nothing better pass na your health.
What is all this? Do you know how many bacteria you have rendered useless? You have polluted the air.
Air pollute?
Yes.
I pollute air?
No. Now your
my
sister
mouth?
pollutes air. Please. Don't
We have
pollute the air.
started though.
Oh, we've started. Okay.
We've started.
How are they?
Hey, welcome, because the one that say waiting be all this one, what would they do so today? Yes, we have come to Yadomo at this today.
Ha. Odikwanama, ma check your temperature, come.
Aye.
I know say you know where. What's all this about?
We have come today.
Tell them what we have come to do today.
We have come today to come and talk about polluting of air. Or you they call them air pollution. Well, you know, say we can also be very touche and we can be very ras. Either way you want, I will give you. But just don't say today, now air pollution, me and your Nigeria have cars. Just be ready because in a serious talk, but we'll go see Peshimele that. Pipe and that, no, so we take give out to you so that you go feel enjoy the show. This is not your Nigeria half-cast. I know me add a Luchi in number. Not let me inside the studio. You don't already see her. But make she just shine her eyes. Make she tell you who she be because I'm not going to do her own introduction.
Yeah, that's me. When I sabi me now, your one and only style doctor Agbomma Akwema. Yes, Dr. Adora. Yes, so today, like my sister Adora already talked, we dey discuss air pollution things. I beg not be say air they mess, so in case the person go don't hear pollute, go say air they pollute. Well, now when people mess inside the air, that one are one of them. But today we go can't tell you how some of these things, what they call air pollution, they affect our health. You understand? Some of the things where they cause this air pollution, how will they affect our health? Then on top of that one, you know, say this kind of serious topic, we not fit do them alone by ourselves. We get Ogbonge expert, Sabinus for the matter, we go bring, we by himself, in go tell you some of the kasala, where this air pollution they cause, and some kind of ways where we fit prevent them. Then on top of that one, we can give you some hard facts, as in some correct truths about this air pollution thing. So today is very, very full and packaged. And you know as we do for now your health now to make sure say you they carry first on top everything will concern your well body and your lifestyle. Yeah, Odikwana matter. Did you have breakfast?
Lunch? Tabina dinner? All combined. I did the two, all collab. Anyway, make we start into the air pollution. I'm waiting to talk about, but really, waiting with this air pollution. Waiting when they talk say air don't pollute, I be polluted air, be air they mess, as Dr. Dora be talking. That one simply me say this our air. That mean our tegun where our nose is swallow. When you don't add anything, when a foreign, whether na chemical, I be na liquid, anything you just add, when they change the orientation of the breeze. So if it to cause bege for your body, if it to even cause make some plants and crops and pie, if it to even cause you to even get some kind of sicky for body, or if it to affect the living organisms, we're supposed to do better work for inside our obodo, the world. You can't alternate them, change them more. Whether that the natural environment you get, I mean, I don't worry, don't build. You could be say on how we add anything to change the composition of the breeze, of the air with around you. That one don't cause the air to be polluted. Now I mean say the air is a mess. Now I mean say air pollution don't happen.
Bam. She's Sabinus. You know say this air pollution things, anything where they happen for this life, it gets some things where they cause them. So now wait I won't begin just you now. They call them Ndo-Yibo. First you know air pollutants. Bam. Now waiting them call them. Waiting be this air pollutants. These are the things where they responsible for the air pollution. Waiting them be. You know smoke. This smoke where you they see, where they come out for back of person car, all those kind of smoke where they come out for car, where they come out for truck.
Are you talking from your personal experience?
You know they drive motor for road. You know they see them. You know they see them. Everybody they see them because especially this Lagos, Las Gidi where we dey full everywhere. When you and truck go they drag road, they go they release some kind of things on top of your motor. Thank God, say person wind up. You know, close beds. If not,
yeah, bis girl. You where they wind down.
It's the Lord that did it for me.
They slap my nose left, right, and center.
Don't be hungry. It's not my fault.
It's my portion.
It's God that did it for. It's not your portion. I reject it for you in the name of Jesus. Hi.
I take it out.
Let us continue our talk. So that smoke where we they talk. Then you see all these industries where full everywhere. All those smoke where when they don't mix some kind of things, the thing they come up from up, they spread. or na dust where they come up for when person go just there, you know they clean your house after some time when windows from all those places go just they enter, go see dust full everywhere. All those ones, there be air pollutants. And you know say the largest human created air pollution now from energy generation. For example, especially for this place, this Niger, where we get plenty light. So I dey speak wetin I want. We have a lot of lights. So because of that, we have a lot of gens on. And by the time all those gens, they release their own smoke. Hey, all those ones, all of them combine, all of them follow for the air pollutants. Now you know.
Fire too, now another major cause of this air messing of air where they pollute. And imagine saying somebody where they for where fire they shell, or maybe house they burn, you can't sit down, they swallow that smoke where they come out. Over a certain number of period of time, before you know it happen, that smoke don't cause heavy gbege. Some of this fire, if you be saying a fire from oil where, yes, oil where to they burn. If you be saying a fire self from just leave where you gather for your backyard, you just sweep your backyard, sweep your front yard, just sweep your yard, you gather and put them for one place. Even rural areas, that's what they talk. Farmers them, as our guests talk for front, so you go here. So farmers them when they don't gather their farmland things, gather them together, they heap them, bam. They burn them. All those ones too, if you follow, will cause heavy gbege for inside your body. And from that one, that's not why we don't they enter now. We don't they pass, won't tell you some of the health gbege. That's not the health implication on top air pollution.
Yes, so. And the very first one, now one thing where they very common. Well, I want to believe that a lot of Nigerians don't like to be smoking cigarettes, but at the same time, a lot of Nigerians, they smoke cigarettes. And that one now, tobacco smoke. And you know, say the badness where they follow this tobacco smoke, we say, not be only the smoker, the smoky. As far as I'm concerned, the smoky, don't quote this English anywhere, it's not me that told you. But the smoky, that's not the person where they by the side of the smoker. Where not, they call them, or even they call them passive smoker, you understand? In not the smoke, but in they inhale all the nonsense, the smoke where they come out from that cigar, where the other one they smoke. And when this one they happen, go notice say your eyes go they burn. It go be like say the thing they irritate you, it they eat you. For some people say, what thing they happen be say, it go be like say the throat they irritate them, and not be the person where they smoke. Or they talk about the smoky, that's the passive smoker. On top of that one, for some people the thing will even enter some kind of disease like a bronchitis. That's an infection of the bronchi. Waiting be the bronchi. Now part of our reproductive system where they inside our hey God.
Hey!
That's a mistake. No way you're talking a lot. You have to. Please, the bronchi now part of the respiratory system where they inside our body.
You should say your papa no waste money.
For waiting, I go waste money.
School.
No.
Yeah, get oil.
Plenty oil. See Anna, I rub am plenty. Then on top of that one, for some people, it think they cause asthma for them. Even those who get asthma already, it they trigger the asthma, can make it severe. Then on top of that one, they still affect for some people, they cause some kind of infection in their lungs. So not be small thing, no. This one now, some of the major gbege where tobacco smoke they cause. If this one they happen to the person when they smoke the thing, that's not the passive smoker, the smoky. What do you think say they happen to the person where they smoke? It won't pass.
You see, you won't pass. That is tobacco smoke. This next one, they use them for so many things. They use them for on top research. They use them for people we don't die. They use them embalmment. They call them embalmment. And this is what they call them formaldehyde. Now formaldehyde, on how way formaldehyde touch you? If it's they scratch you for eye, if you touch your eye, or even your nose. And sometimes if it will cause you, they call them allergy. Now it means say, be like say one devil they pursue you for your village. Come to for what you did. Formaldehyde, yes. They call it allergy.
So allergy now when person
it be like say the way you think they do it for body, it can't be like say somebody. That's what
they they call your name.
Yes, you have experience. That's what I'm talking about. After that, to have formaldehyde, we get ozone. This ozone, what they talk about, ozone is supposed to even there for this area where we stay now, first of all. Or how will ozone reach us for a year, it don't be, your eye don't red. Because the bigger way they cause, if it even cause asthma in some cases. And the thing they make your eye, they scratch, it go they bump on. In fact, plenty things going to happen to you on top of that one. So please, be very, very careful.
You know, say, finally, before we buy a break and bring that our Ogbonge guest, this one, carbon monoxide. In fact, as far as I'm concerned, now be the main culprit for this laxity where we did so. You know what thing go do? It go combine with what they call hemoglobin inside our body. to prevent oxygen where we need to enter the right places. When this one can't happen, what's in the parts where go they affected? Our brain, my brain not follow. The brain, the cardiovascular system, you know, all those ones. Then when all this one go happen, you know what thing will come they happen? The person go notice say, go they do slowly nothings. You know, 2 days sharp. Go be like say that they call you for village like Luchi talked before. Then on top of that one, you go feel they make some people confused. Then you go just notice say, person where they like on a good day, suppose they active. Go just sleep, small thing. I'm feeling sleepy. I want to sleep. All these things, now they cause all these big inside our body. And this now carbon monoxide work. Well, like we talk, we are gonna buy a break.
Yes.
And when we comes back,
Dr. Dora, when we comes back, you don't tell them say you like to the wind up. Me, I don't get car to the wind up and the wind down.
I bet.
But they will understand why we're saying this wind up and wind down.
When we comes back, you will hear from the very expert himself, the Sabinus on top the matter, on something so you're supposed to. So don't go anywhere, call your friends, call your neighbors. Let's do this.
If they say that they put their ear, make them sit down for you. Oh yeah,
now they go here and make them hear. It's good for their health, Abby.
We dey come back with more informate on top na your health. So, come out your shoe or leave them. Na your health. Don't return.
if you don't know where you did, not twerk, you got to ginger up. This is not your health. The very one show where they always talk about well, but they can't do and collaborate with lifestyle. And still on top of the same matter, now we don't bring on your domot again. Another segment still on top, air pollution. We don't go waka, carry our 2 leg. Waka around. Find the best Sabinus professor on top of this matter so that instead we choke mouth on top of the things where we talk about today. This person, now professor, he don't go up, he don't come down, he don't chop our blood, he don't come back to Nigeria. But you go help us welcome Oga Tabina Mazi Chibundu Ibe. Mazi Ibe, you're welcome to our
Mazi, welcome.
Thank you.
You do well as you come join us today.
Thank you.
So now, you know, some people don't they hear about this air pollution since morning. We just they talk and they come since. So their ear don't fool. I hope they never pollute them, you know. And I sure say for their mind, they go talk say all this thing now. So how we fit help? By myself, me one, how I fit make difference? What can one person really do? You understand? So I beg, help us answer this question now.
Now, air pollution, not only Nigeria where air pollution be problem. Air pollution now worldwide problem.
Sure.
So first of all, we would educate, we would teach people individually how they go stop air pollution. Air pollution, not because government they do them, now me and you go they do them. The thing go they spread, everybody go they get them. I will give you an example now. For villages, for farmers, rural areas, you know, see if they clear their farmers, rain don't they come now, they won't cultivate. If they clear their land like, they go burn them. They think say now to burn them now a way of clearing it. And when they burn them like that, so the smoke they go up. Go they pollute air. The thing feed burn for the whole day. Everywhere go come day polluted. So the first thing we go do, me and you go do to stop and to educate ourselves, to know why or what we feed do to stop that thing.
Okay, now your health day.
Yeah. Now, like I don't talk before, farmers, more especially rural areas, where they burn within they clear from their farm. The first advice we don't teach them be say, make they no burn that thing. Make they cultivate and pack and come use them again, turn them into money where they be even use cultivate their farm.
And they're cheaper for
They
them.
go they cheaper. Because as they come out that, as the weed cut grass, they go leave and the thing go dry. As that thing dry, if you mix sand with sand, that thing don't turn to
manure.
Okay, now as they talk about this manure and the way to reduce the waste where you get for inside your land or property, this one they make me they wonder. We get law for inside our country where they channel all these things to make sure say all of us will follow one alignment process on top air pollution matter. Really, law day?
Law day.
But why be say people don't know about this law?
You know, say one thing be say to make law, another one not to implement them. Law day, no be say law day, law no day, law day. But the thing be say people will go implement them, feed they see them, they don't go fit talk anything, go they leave them. Law day, like for this country where we day now, if you they pollute air, one government go charge you.
Fine.
They go arrest you, charge you. Why they pollute it? But the task force or the people we supposed to enforce the law, maybe they don't go fit do them. They could just leave and say, now we win in Nigeria, waiting. Leave them, leave the old woman, leave the person, make it do them. Law day. So no be say law, no day, law day.
But from waiting you dey talk now, it just they make me feel like say people no care about their health. Because you dey talk say they go just say make we live am.
No be say people no care about their health.
Okay.
But the problem is say they need to understand wetin that thing go cause for their health.
Okay, so waiting you dey talk now be say the main thing na to educate them.
Waiting that
on
because
wetin
if
the
to say
thing dey cause.
if to say you know waiting that thing go cause. If me and you no go do am because we know say if we do am, see wetin go cause. No be only you, if it's as people there around, na so you go dey spread disease they go. So now the first thing na to teach them waiting that thing go cause for their health, man. Trust me.
Wetin we go do about that one in particular because this one it don't involve industry.
Yeah.
And you go tell them say make they know they produce wetin they produce.
Exactly.
And so wetin them fit do to help curb this air pollution.
Now, for industrial pollution, like I say, law dey, government they see them. As industry, because you know we say make industry no stop. Industry go dey, the smoke they go. But we get wetin we dey call renewable energy form. We fit educate them.
I better call that thing again. No, some
No,
people.
again.
Renewable
Oh,
energy.
you said renewable. I think it's noble.
Renewable.
I think so now only me here. Noble.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Because
Just
like
renewable.
make I give you an example now.
Okay.
Like industry, you know, since that smoke they come out, sulfur they come out, we they bad for our health.
Exactly.
Nitrogen they come out there, we they bad for our health. Carbon monoxide they come out, we they bad. So as the thing they enter in, so people they breathe them. They don't fit no. The thing go to spread, they go to breathe them. Now for government policy now, we don't say this thing they on. As government they now, once we identify those industries, companies where they do it, we go approach them. One, they go minimize them. They go
How they want
minimize.
to minimize them?
Now, what I mean by the, you know, so as they burn them, we know what thing they mix, where they come out that thing.
Okay. So
For that industry,
with
with
they mix.
you know, so as they do, they
Or make them
get
find alternative.
alternative.
Or be left to myself. Then fit to commode them from where people they live.
Yeah, you know, go feed commodity because they feed them day before people come, they stay around them.
That's true.
That's very
This
true.
is a very serious
But
matter.
as it not be small matter. Oh.
You understand what I'm saying? So, waiting they use, they mix where they come out that smoke. Now, that area where will they come in?
Okay.
Maybe we educate them. Maybe we see whether we get an alternative way where they fit, they mix with it, so that the thing don't get pollute.
Okay. May they get alternatives where they healthier.
Yeah, healthier, exactly.
Healthier alternatives.
Exactly.
Okay.
You know, say this air pollution now.
Yeah.
For some people, they feel say it no concern them. And for some other people, they feel say them the big boys and big girls, they are gallant. Those people now, because I know say one of the things we will be talk for the beginning of the show now, say you fit to the open your window. But nowadays, everybody they lock up. Your car, you they wind up. House, wind up, close up, close up, close up.
Okay.
Now this won't be one of the better ways to control the air pollution from inside our area.
That be the better because how long will you go day house lock up? You don't go come out outside. Even if you
Even
day
with
car
fresh
self,
air.
even when you day inside car, get time where you go day inside car, they use your AC now. Finally, you go come out outside now. And so that one no be the main thing.
Okay.
Not be the main thing because all this one way they do, if they do them because say you get money, make I day inside car put my AC. Not be everybody get AC for car, we go wind up now. Most people go wind down and they move. And as they move, exhaust smoke they come on. Only people will get money or maybe their car still they get AC, they feel wind up, they use the AC.
Okay, our
So
people.
that be this thing.
When I don't hear them, you don't hear how this air pollution thing they cause plenty gbege. We for like make our Mazi continue to they give us gist on top this matter because me self don't learn one or two things. But we got to buy break. We got to he got to say goodbye. But we still there to give you certain facts. Some kind true things where they on top this air pollution where you got to think about to know how you could take move forward. So I beg no go anywhere. They come back.
No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return. Now your health will return.
Luchi, can you make it back? What have you done here?
I no hug ear. I no hug ear.
Hey, Chai, Luchi has polluted the air. In case you just dey join us,
I don't
the
mess
matter
with
where they ground from the time when we start this show reach now, air pollution. And we don't talk some kind things, you know. We don't tell you what's in air pollution be. We don't tell you about the air pollutants. We don't even tell you, like Luchi is one of them. Then we don't even, you know, carry the gist. Go the permanent site right now with our Ogbonge, you know, Sabinus don't tell us some kind things where we supposed to know about this air pollution. In case you just join us, we are sorry. You came a bit late, but you can still gain some things right now. So please, on the Facebook, we are there. On the Twitter, please tweet us. On the Instagram, you can follow us personally to personally, bumper to bumper things. Let us give you all the information you need to carry first on top of this matter. You know, say this air pollution thingy right now won't give you some facts, some real facts about it. Air pollution, the thing where they do to typical human life, we say, in they come out up to 1 to 2 years from person life. God forbid, not be my own. But that's not the facts.
On top the airway they pollute. On top the airway they pollute.
The one where you pollute before we start this one, I believe that's that's not the facts. 1 to 2 years they come out. That's now why, if you notice, as the years they go, now so life expectancy they reduce. But it's not our portion. We know what to do.
The pollute, when they release for ear, when Dr. Dollar they release for ear, ma tell you, it was past the pollute, which they release for inside water or be on top land.
How? I don't understand. Why not me you they use?
House.
Because you spoil air.
House.
House and again.
House. Ask him, the pollute, where Dr. Dollar they pollute for inside ear, like this, he passed the one where she they pollute for inside water, and the one where she they pollute on top land. Combined together, the one for ear and
you dey follow me go.
And the fact.
Even mommy water, now you be the mommy water where they go water go pollute.
All right.
On top that one, we don't even hear say like 5,000 premature deaths. People just buy for where? South Africa. I've been in South California. Say wetin they cause them now pollution due to wetin diesel trucks they release. All these trucks where they carry diesel, they move up and down. So anytime you see those kind of smoke where they come up for a diesel truck, not taken lightly, it don't cause 5,000 premature deaths for South California. It's no matter.
Not be small thing, and that smoke where they come out from those trucks, so they
think they black.
They war. Smoke they war.
Sometimes to come out they tire me because of that thing. But we have to move.
We have to move on. This next one, they say now outdoor air pollution. That now pollutes what Dr. Dora they do for outside, not be for inside house. The one they do for outside, they say it rank as one of the top 10 killers on top this Obodo earth.
This one, please, I'm not a bearer of bad tidings. Now facts where they give us according to the internet. Then talk say by 2050, they hear so 2050. Then talk say 6 million people will they die per year due to air pollution. Back to the sentence. No, but not be joke. Not be joke. We got to do something. Our government got to make sure so they take the policies where they don't put in place very, very seriously, because this air pollution not be small matter.
And for us, where they like to wind up, you know the us I'm talking about, they like to wind up. They say during traffic jam, that pollutant, all those things we don't mess for outside, they say the thing if you sip, enter your motor. Enter that your motor where you don't wind up. And then on how we enter your motor, if it to cost 10 times heavy gbege compared to ordinary typical car with no wind up.
Now so ordinary typical car, the person where they inside where they collect all the one way when truck release them. Anyway, I bet they don't tell us to make we come out for inside here. Luciano.
Well, we have come and finish it.
We have come and finish. So we shall see you next time, please. But please do not pollute the air. You by yourself, you don't hear waiting, you feel do as an individual to prevent this air pollution.
Not follow Dr. Dora style. She pollutes air, land, and sea. Pollute mess.
The one way they pollute and they suffer for you because I love you.
Tamko.
Una bye-bye.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.